Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today you join me with my BMW Z4 Coupe at my unit, and today we have a special package from Revin Motorsport as we are changing the gear shifter to a short shifter. Let's get some nice shorter throws ready for some track preparation next year. So yeah, the box is over here. So this is the package. You also get their little package as well that holds the base plate. It's for E80 stuff and E90 converter plate. And then in the main box we have the shifter itself. Which I have to admit, the quality itself is great, especially the value for money. This was £350 shipped on the Black Friday sale. I know there's other places like Cooler Works that do their own shifter. It is very similar design, to be fair, to the Cooler Works shifter. And then you got the CAE shifters, which are again are like triple the price. They're like £1,000 plus, but everything feels really good on it. Really nice shifter. So yeah, we'll get the car in the air and get fitted. Right, so now that we've got the car up in the air, we need to get to the gear linkage, which is very hard to see, but it is just up in there. So we'll have to take exhaust down, heat shield down. There's also a bit of carpet to remove as well. So yeah, we'll crack on and get that done now. So now we have access to where the shifter is. You can see the shifter arm just there, the black arm. And then there's a pin, if you can see, just there, there's a pin. Get that pin off, get that, disconnect the arm, and then should be able to pull that arm out. It's quite hard to show you, but we have to try and get this arm down up here. And there's two pins. One just there, and one this side. This side I've removed there. So just got to remove this side. pins. And that should free up this side. And there's another little clip here that we've got to try and remove on the front. Managed to remove the arm. Just had to slide it all the way to the front of the car. Then the back end slid out of that little tab up there. And then it came down from the side out of here. And that's the old shifter out. Ready for the new one to go in. So there it is. If you can see up there, a bit of black tape covering holes for if it was an automatic. And there's one there and then one this side as well. So we use those bolt holes to bolt the new shifter plate on there. So these 3 bolts will bolt underneath here to those 3 points that I just showed you a minute ago. And then you put this plate on top, it sandwiches it together, and you can chuck the new shifter in. So, on to that next. Right, so now you join me inside the car. You need to fit this sandwich plate in here. Also, this cutout needs to come out somehow to make way for the new shifter to come in. So I did leave the plate down there to make it easier for me to get. So need to try and sandwich this now. Try and get one bolt in there. Right, you join me back. Plate is now in place. Just got to tighten up these 3 screws. And I did have to cut a section out, as when the shifter sits in there, it would snag on that. So I had to cut a section out to make way for it. But that's fine, because I can make something to go in there to make it look nice. It's got to go back in there, but we can chop it around and make something work. But that's pretty much where it's going to be. Just going to bolt these screws up now, these 3 screws down the bottom, these 3 here, and then we can fit the shifter in, bolt that down, and yeah, start from underneath. So that's the shifter in place. Bolted down. These are bolted down. The little dust cover is bolted down. It feels good. Much higher than the stock one, which sits around here. It's like double the height. Perfect for track days. So yeah, we'll go underneath now, get it bolted on in from underneath. There's a pin we've got to put back in the rod. So yeah, let's go under there and get that done. Right, so we're now underneath the car. You can see where our new shifters come down. We need to get the rod, the linkage rod, and try and feed that. There we go, through. Just up there. And then we got a pin. And then try and clip that in. Like that. Make sure I'm on there nice and tight. And then we can start putting it back together again. You can put the heat shield on first, then the two plates. Then there's a bar goes across the back. We can fix the exhaust back up. So yeah, let's crack on. So that's everything bolted up. Skid pan underneath, bars on, exhaust is back up. Time to drop it down and finish off the top. So you join me a few days later, shifters installed, all the trims installed back around again. Did have to modify the ashtray to let the wire come through. But I mean, it looks good. Shifts really well. The throw's really short, so it's perfect for those track days. But yeah, works really nice. It's a really good bit of kit. Used it for a few miles now, and it feels great so far. So we shall see what it's like this year on track. I will do an update video on it driving and what it's actually like out on the road. But for now, that's fully fitted, ready to enjoy. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Please subscribe, like and share. I'll be uploading more content to this channel this year. Got some interesting mods to go on the car, and also some road trips to do, so stay tuned for all of that.